Hi everyone. If your trades are slow, falling, or getting delayed, the problem might not be your bot. It could be the RPC connection you are using. In this video, I will show you what a private RPC node is and how you can set up for your bot. Okay, so before starting video, if you have enjoyed Trojan, you can use our referral code, which is crypto whale access, which is being displayed on the screen, or you can also check for our referral link available into the description of the video. If you join through our referral code or our referral link, you can save big transaction fees forever, and it's easy to use. Okay, so what is an RPC node? RPC stands for remote procedure call. In simple terms, it's the connection that lets your wallet or trading bot communicate with the blockchain. When you send a transaction, it goes through an RPC node to reach the network. Okay, so why public RPCs can be slow? Many people use public RPC nodes. The problem is that thousands of users may share the same connection. Okay, so this can cause like slow transactions, failed trades, and network congestion, as you know. So what is a private RPC node? A private RPC node is a dedicated connection just only for you. Okay, so because fewer people are using it, transactions can be faster, more reliable, and more consistent. So here's a step one: choose an RPC provider. So let's this is a Google. I have already searched for the RPC provider, and you can see that there are lots of RPC provider here. After that, you have choose your RPC provider. To set up an private RPC, you first need a provider. After that, uh, you create account, and they will give you a unique RPC URL. Okay, so copy your RPC endpoint, and then open your bot platform where you are doing trading, like we are doing in the Trojan. But what if you find for look for the RPC or network configuration setting in order to paste this RPC address, but you won't find this option here because Trojan is automatically doing this thing, and they do not allow to put a custom RPC URL. But if you are using any other platform, you can use that, or you can also implement on this on your Phantom wallets. I have already I have an account on the Phantom wallet here, so you can paste it here as well. Okay, so after pasting the RPC, test the connection. After adding the RPC, test it with a small transaction. If everything is set correctly, your transaction should be faster and more stable. So here's a beginner tips. If you are just starting, use a reliable RPC provider. Avoid sharing your private RPCs with other. So a private RPC won't guarantee profit, but it can help make your trading more consistent and reliable. If you want more Trojan tutorials and crypto trading guides, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.